Today I will talk about how can you disable membership notifications on your Uber app. So you just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You're scrolling down here, click here on settings. So when you just click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. So then you scrolling down here and you will find here communications here. Just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You will find your membership. Click in this side. Like you see color it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. Click on this side. You click on save changes. Then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.